Okay, let's take a look at this track on creating frequency tables. I think one of the keys is to understand that some of these numbers have to do with totals instead of numbers that go in the table. So for instance, we are told we have 18 candies total. So 18, once everything that contains chocolate and does not contain chocolate are added up, we have to have 18. And once everything that contains caramel and does not contain caramel add up, we need to have 18. So 10 candies contain both chocolate and caramel. So we have 10 contain chocolate and contain caramel. 3 candies contain neither chocolate nor caramel. 3 do not contain chocolate and do not contain caramel. 12 candies in total contain chocolate. So we have 12 candies in total contain chocolate. That must mean there are 2 that do not contain caramel but do contain chocolate. This number plus this number has to equal this number. We are now able to add these two numbers up and see there are a total of 5 that do not contain caramel because we have these 2 now plus the 3 we were told about. And this just begins to domino on you. Everything vertically and horizontally has to add up. So we have a number here that when added to 5 has to equal 18. So this number must be 13. And since everything up and down has to add up, this number must be 3. So all of these numbers have to add up to get this total. These numbers have to add up to get this total. And then across they have to add up. 3 plus 3 is 6. So all these add. 10 plus 3 is 13. 2 plus 3 is 5. 12 plus 6 is 18. 10 plus 2 is 12. 3 plus 3 is 6. 13 plus 5 is 18. It checks out. This number ended up going in the table. This number ended up going in the table. This is a in total number and has to go in this new column that we made. And then we have to just start adding across and adding up and down to fill in the blanks. Hopefully this helps.